Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to pay an invoice that's been sent from a Wix website. This is a straightforward process that allows you to handle your payments quickly and securely, whether you're paying for services, products, or any other transactions through Wix's invoicing system. And if you're looking to get started on Wix yourself, you can click on the link in the description down below to begin building your own website. Let's start by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard, which is your central hub for managing everything related to your site. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu with various options. Look for the section labeled Getting Paid and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear, and from these options, click on Invoices. This will take you to the invoicing section where you can manage all your billing activities. From here, you'll be able to preview all the invoices that have been created on your Wix account. This gives you a clear overview of your billing history and current outstanding invoices. Now, let's walk through creating an invoice so you can understand the full process. Locate the Create New button, which you'll find on the top right part of your page. Click on it, and a drop-down selection will appear with a few options. From these, select Invoice to begin creating a new invoice document. You'll now be on the invoice creation page where you can customize all the details. Start by entering the name of your customer from the Contact drop-down menu. This helps keep your records organized and ensures the invoice is sent to the right person. Next, enter an invoice title that clearly describes what this invoice is for. This makes it easier for both you and your customer to reference later. Now, fill in the product or service field, which is essentially what you're billing your customer for with this particular invoice. Set the tax rate if applicable and double-check the quantity and price to make sure everything is accurate. Once you've reviewed all the details and everything looks correct, click on Send Invoice, which is located on the top right part of your screen. For this tutorial, we'll be sending a sample invoice to our own email address and essentially billing ourselves just to demonstrate the complete procedure from start to finish. Once the invoice email has been sent, open a new tab in your browser and head over to your email provider's website. Navigate to your inbox and locate the invoice email we just sent. It should be clearly labeled and easy to spot. Click on it to open the email and you'll see a button that says View Invoice. Go ahead and click on that button and it will take you to a page displaying all the invoice details, including the amount due, itemized charges, and payment terms. On this page, simply locate the Pay Invoice button and click on it to proceed with the payment process. That's it. You've successfully navigated through the process of paying an invoice sent from a Wix website. The system makes it incredibly easy to manage payments and keep track of your billing activities all in one place. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.